man, 4L Mafia made this.
Okay. Look, I ain't trying to be a problem.
What's poppin', Glizzy Gang? It's your girl Cheyenne Talia, and I am back with another video. Today's video is going to be a wig review slash quick install. It's not going to be too detailed. If you want a really detailed install, I'll link that down below. But DSOAR Hair was nice enough to send me a wig. Now, they sent me a curly unit, and they call it the Jerry Curly unit. And I don't know. I think they should change the name just because that's not a, I don't know if that's a good name for a wig. I like the curls in the hair. It's nice. It matches my regular curl pattern. That's why I got it. So it's 26 inches. It's a medium cap. It's a lace front wig. And that's just about all the details you need to know. So the you've seen the packaging. Their Instagram is at DSOAR Hair. So it's pretty simple. They sent me some lashes and a beauty blender, and I've been using it a lot in my videos. So it's like this little orange sponge. But yeah, so this is the wig. Let me show you the wig. So I actually was styling the wig on my little mannequin thing because I have a stand now, so it makes it easier for me to do this. And this time I just went ahead, and I'm gonna try to put this on my arm so you can see, and I cut the lace around the baby hairs. So we're gonna see how this looks. I'm excited, and I just twisted it. I was just having fun. I'll probably take this down, and then I just pulled it half back so that it's easy for me to put on my head. So yeah, it's just a curly unit, 26 inches. Like I said before, it's really pretty. The hair is soft, and when it does shed a little bit, not too bad, but y'all see. Curly hair sheds, it's just a thing. It has 4 clips, so 3 up top, 1 in the back. I like that. It has the clamp things, so you can fasten it. I like that because my head is small. And yeah, so yeah, I had this pulled back to make it easier to install. I don't know if I finished my sentence right there, but that's what's going on with this wig. Let's just go ahead and put it on. I already have my wig cap on, and yeah. For this install, I will be doing a voiceover, and I will be explaining everything I'm doing, so just bear with me. I'm not going to be talking through this video. I've been up since 1 this morning, y'all, and it's 5:45 right now, so I'm just so tired. But anyways, I have the Got2b glue gel, and I'm using the Kenra high grip spray. It's a high hold defining hairspray, 20 hold. So it says new 24-hour high hold. So this is like super strong stuff. My point is, as long as you have a really strong gel and a really strong hairspray, you could lay your wig down with anything. It doesn't just have to be Got2b glue, because that's what I've been using on the past few installs. Well, this is what I've been using on the past few installs, and it's been going great. Like, I haven't had no trouble. And I just mixed it in this little jar, you know. So I'm just gonna go ahead, take some of this gel, put it along my hairline, and we're gonna go ahead and start applying the wig. I'm gonna stop talking. I'll see y'all at the end of the video. Alright, so just diving right into the video, we are going to begin by applying the Kenra and Got2b glue gel concoction to our wig cap and just on our hairline. And I'm really trying to stay as close as I can to the hairline and not really focus on, you know, getting the glue around for those edges, because I'm going to glue the edges down as we go along. What's most important is that the actual hairline is intact and really glued down. So just start there and we will add on later. So as you can see, I just put the wig on and I'm pressing down the hair as we go. And at first I was a little skeptical about cutting out the edges at first when I was applying it, because I'm like, this isn't gonna look right, it's not gonna fit my head. But as I was going along and installing this wig, it just looked so amazing, you guys. Excuse me, like I'm trying to get over a cold, so my voice might be cracking a little bit, but it has looked so amazing even to this day. Like, I recorded this video a few days ago and I'm just now editing it. My edges are still intact, you guys, so I'm definitely going to be teaching you guys this method.
I think next time I am going to pluck the wig. I have another unit here that I'm going to be showing you guys how to lay the edges on, and it's actually a straight unit, so I'm going to work on perfecting those sleek edges and just maybe thinning them out a little bit more, and even focusing on that hairline as well. Let me know down below how you're liking this install so far. Like, if you like the edges and if you like this method, let me know, because honestly, you guys, this lace is not clockable. I know I say it somewhere in this video, but the only reason that you could even clock my wig right now is because it's not plucked. But other than that, like, this method is freaking crazy. Like, look. What laces? Those look like my edges. That's crazy. Like, I'm just shook right now, y'all. And the way that this Kenra hairspray held up, hunty, like the Got2b glue hairspray, I love it to death, but the Kenra hairspray really showed out for this install, and I'm so obsessed with it.
Alright, y'all, so this is the finished product. Like, I'm obsessed. I'm gonna start doing my baby hairs like this before I put my wigs on. I didn't pluck this unit, so the hairline may look a bit fuller. I didn't pluck any of the parts either, but I plan on doing that. I really just wanted to install this wig and see how the baby hairs would turn out, and it looks so natural, you guys. Like, the gel may make it look shiny, but that will go away, like, as I wear this install. I just want to show y'all, like, my lace. The only reason my lace is even clockable right now is because I didn't pluck it all the way. That's the only reason. Like, that's literally the only reason. I'm obsessed with this install, and I'm definitely going to do a separate video on how I did this. So next time I get a unit and I get baby hairs, I'm going to make a whole separate video on how I lay my baby hairs. And this is a new method for me because I finally have a mannequin head, and it's something that I'm taking from Bree Styles. I think I put a different twist on it. She uses some different products than I do, and our methods are a bit different. So the idea came from her. Shout out to Bree Styles. She's the one who got me, like, learning how to do lace wigs and lay them down and stuff like that. So she taught me the correct method a long time ago. So shout out to her. But yeah, I'm loving the new glue that I found. Like, I love the Kenra hairspray with the Got2b glue gel. That combination works so well together. Like, my install is so tight right now, you guys. I'm obsessed. Like, I have nothing but good things to say about this hair so far. It's 26 inches and it's curly. So you guys, this is some long hair. I'm gonna keep the twisties in because I like the volume it gives and how it flips over with the middle part, but I definitely do plan on styling this unit some more and maybe even doing a photo shoot with it because it's lovely. Like, I love it so much. So stay tuned for pictures on Instagram. I'm about to go put on an outfit right now and take some pictures and then go meet up with my sister. And yeah, so I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.